Hi mga higala, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Og karon mga higala mo ato na pod mi sa baseball field mga higala kay dula na po ni RJ practice gahapon ni RJ pero wala ko ni adto so sila rang daddy kay naggrocery man ko gahapon. Karon mo ato na pud ta mga higala og kuyogi mi mga higala. Nagdala de ko jacket kay dala ko light jacket para nga kung bugnaw niya na ko'y jacket nga ikasuot. Light jacket lang. So ari na ta diri sa sulod sasakyanan. Si daddy nag-prepare pa sa iyahang dadonon. Or oh yun, bring the monkey. Okay, let's go.
By George. He's gonna be my padding. Nope, he's not gonna be my padding.
Fell below the seat. Have to get it later and get out of the car.
And then this way.
drop you off the usual spot, RJ. Yeah, make it right here.
I think I went to sleep.
On Earth.
Last thing I remember was
Winco.
Winco. That's the last thing I remember.
Did you get up out of bed too?
4. I woke up at 2 though. 2:30.
So hot now here. Put AC, honey.
The AC. Don't you love George, Daddy? George. My favorite road. Deep road.
There's a mom and the babies. She's got 3 babies.
Coming up on the turn.
Okay, right here, turn. Light bulb.
Welcome to the road of you don't know.
Eventually we're gonna have to get brakes on this car.
Brakes?
Brakes.
You don't even have brakes on this car now?
If we come up 100 miles an hour to a red light, it's screechy. Just stop. You know what it means?
Well, immediately stop.
Still haven't gotten oil.
Yeah, almost now. Back to school. Not yet put chainsaw wheel this.
This car is gonna boom boom.
Oops.
Not that.
Boom, boom, we got it right.
So bumpy.
Getting ready to go
So
crazy.
we gotta pass this one.
What? Can I have your phone?
No,
Oh, your phone's in your pocket again.
no.
So
it's-
we're at the West Stadium or the East Stadium?
It's at third base side.
We're home.
Where? The same RG before?
Are we West or East? I forgot. I think we're West. I don't know. Let's see.
I wasn't paying attention till we passed the school. Why'd you start talking?
Not yet.
Um,
There is the school.
School.
It's a nice elementary.
Looks worse than ours. Ours is very worse.
That look like so old.
Damn, this place. Oh my god, this place looks bad.
This here?
No, it's a one-way.
One way.
After the school, after the
Right
one-way.
here.
Right here. This is hidden.
Hidden. I think it turns yeah, right here. Weird turn. You gonna drop me off?
Yup.
Drop me off. Right here.
Wow, 18 minutes drive here.
Right here.
Stop.
Stuck in the seatbelt. Right here. I have to get out of the seat. See you later.
You want water?
Nakaboter. But motorcycle of big patar. Ah,
Wow, a lot of people for this.
have many people now here is Paul. Here, have other. Here. We go in the other side. There's here.
He's in the other side.
The other side. Okay.
Okay, adjust over that way. Cut it too short. You got to readjust it.
Yep. Look like inside.
Here inside. I don't know if you cook it. Let's see it for a minute or two.
Just kirk it. I reverse.
Slowly.
Yep. Okay, I have no people. Oops. Okay, we here.
7 minutes to first pitch.
Yellow team
There's 4 teams here.
and
There's
blue
2
white.
fields. They have 4 teams going.
Yep. Mga higala, naabot na yun ni. Tanawa na anay nagdula. Di kayo maklaro kay layo-layo. So here is. But the dog's so big. He's staying in the tree. Here. There na.